आज ही डाउटनेट ऐप डाउनलोड करें। डाउटनेट पर होगा अब आपके सभी मैथ्स, केमिस्ट्री, फिजिक्स और बायोलॉजी डाउट्स का सफाया। बस अपने क्वेश्चन की फोटो खींचो, उसे क्रॉप करो और तुरंत वीडियो सोल्यूशन पाओ। डाउनलोड नाउ।
The question is the total numbers of divisor of 480 that are in the form of 4n plus 2 where n is greater than equals to 0 is equal to, we have four options, we have to find out our correct option. So let's start. So first of all we can write, we know that we have given the total number of divisor of 480. So now we can also write 480 as 12 into 4 into 10. Now writing the factor of 12, we can also write it as 2 into 3 into 2. We can also write as 4 as 2 into 2. We can also write 10 as 2 into 5. And now finally it will be equals to, we can write it as 2 raised to power 5 into 3 into 5. So now from here we can write our 4 n plus 2, that will be equals to, we can write it as 2n. We can also write it as 2 into 2n plus 1. 2 into 2n plus 1. Why? Because therefore this will be we always get from it, or always get from this by putting the value odd multiple. So now we can write 4n plus 2, that will be equal to 2 into 2n plus 1. We get always the odd multiple of 2. So we can write therefore our divisor that can be equals to, we can write it as 2 into 2 raised to power 1 into 3 raised to power 9 into 3 raised to power not 9. We can write for divisor, we can write our equal to 2 raised to power 1 into 3 raised to power a into 5 raised to power b, where we know that our value of a, that should be greater than equals to 1 but smaller than equals to, that will be greater than equals to 0 but smaller than equals to 1. Similarly, we can also write the value of b, that will be greater than equals to 0 but smaller than equals to 1. So now we can write our total ways, we can write our ways of a, that will be equals to 2. And how many ways we have for b? We can write ways for b, we have also equals to 2, because we know that our divisible, where a, we can write it as 2 into a raised to power 3 raised to power a into 5 raised to power b, because we know that 4n plus 2 is equal to 2 into 2n plus 1. What our question says, the total of number that are in the form of these. So we can write that will be equals to, by taking 2 common, we know that always get, if we take 2 common from 4n plus 2, then it will become in the form of 2 into 2n plus 1, that is the odd multiple of 2. So we can write our divisible will be 2 raised to power 1 into 3 raised to power a into 5 raised to power b. So for a and b both ways have 2. So finally we can write total number of ways. So both have 2 ways. So we can write total number of ways both we have 2 plus 2, that will be equals to 4. So we can say both have total number of ways 4. So now if we can see our option, then we can say our option C, that is 4, will be correct. So we can say the total number of divisor of 480 that are in the form is equal to 4 ways. Thank you.
क्लास 6 से 12 से लेके नीट, IIT JEE मेंस और एडवांस के लेवल तक 10 मिलियन से ज्यादा स्टूडेंट्स का भरोसा। आज ही डाउनलोड करें डाउटनेट ऐप या व्हाट्सएप कीजिए अपने डाउट्स 8400 400 400 पर।